So, 5 o'clock is when this thing goes off. Nanny's little Roomba is going off at 5 o'clock. Better be prepared. I can show you what's going to go. So 5 o'clock is when we'll be prepared. About 20 minutes ago, I decided to do the video in the Roomba. So it was going all over there. But I think it looks like it's almost done with the kitchen. It looks like it just has a couple bit more to do. Because one of those. This might be a long when that thing comes out. Alright, there it is here in the living room. It's now just getting ready to do the hallway. Alright. Let's gotta do the hallway first. Let's gotta do some of that first. Probably gonna go back to its charging lot. But I don't know. I don't know what's making that going. Haven't done the hallway yet.